Come here. Where are you? Where are you? What is that? What is that I see? Oh, hi, folks. Welcome to Mike's channel. I'm Mike. Is there an echo in here? Hi, Mike. How you doing? Hey, it's Mike's channel. I'd like to welcome you to my channel, where anything goes, everything goes, and look at here. Oh, I still can't see you. Is that a bottle cap in my eye? Oh, it is. Welcome to my channel, folks. Say, Pappy McSnappy here. How y'all doing? Yes, I made this a long time ago. I was going to make a deer hoof out of it, and I just found it because I was putzing around. Hey, anyways, I got a little project in my little other workshop to show you here. So, let me go on the other side because there's junk everywhere. And let's see. Yeah, we're as wide open as we get. So, this ladder. I don't know why I'm doing a video on ladders, but I just finished that one. That's why. This one was made by my dad's uncle. It's just a tribute to... What are you looking at, Mike? Oh, there's junk on the table. Anyways, the old timers, they made that stuff. When he retired, he built houses and he was a farmer. So he was a carpenter and a milker and a tractor driver and a jack of all trades, kind of, so to speak. So one day, I think my dad gave me, got each one of us brothers, there's four of us, and I don't know if we got graduation, he got Uncle BJ to make these, and so it's been around since 1987. I graduated high school a long time ago. And I decided one day, because some things, I don't know the whole drift of it, but I'm going to show you. Some things weren't right. I think somebody's went to hell. You know that happens. Somebody's went to hell. Let me set you up here. Somebody's went to hell. And I decided one day that I was going to make duplicated, because I like to work wood once in a while. Work wood. So I took them apart, and you see that? This is what was on it originally, and I know he was buddies with, there's a lot of manufacturers around here. This is a piece of stainless, piece of steel, hand riveted. I'm guessing he made this. It looks like he pounded it over on a vise. Right there's some Viceroy marks. So anyways, I took it apart because I think it rotted apart. The one my dad kept in his back of his pickup truck for all its life, and it just, I think that's what happened. So I went ahead and duplicated the knives, hinges. I bent mine and I welded them on. TIG welded them on. Then I took this stuff, which is the attaches the top. He just made that out of just junk iron, sheet metal. And so I copied it. You can see his right there. His drill bit must have been a little dull. She turned blue. So I flattened this one to make a pattern. And I had my buddy down at the metal bendy shop make some aluminum ones. And then we got some, for the fancy guys, we got stainless. When I get to the fancy wood, I'm gonna do some out of curly hard maple when I learn how to do the die trick. Anyways, I just thought I'd show you that. So that thing is there about, like I said, 30 plus years old. I copied the pattern. This one, I think he used the black ash. I know the top is maple. I can see the curl in it. It's curly maple. Probably curly soft maple. And it's just, you know, years and years of use. But this one I made out of black cherry. I just put a finish on it. And back then he didn't use Nylox, so these would always come loose. But today, in this day and age, we got the ability to use Nylox. So that's what we do. So they shouldn't come loose. And it's going to be a gift for one of my 2 or 3 friends. Yeah, you can duplicate anything. You can make anything you want. You just got to want to. And I wanted to, so that's what I did. So that's it for the video for today. Hope you guys are all doing good. I'll have some more uploads coming up in the future. I'm working in this crazy place. This used to be the old granary, and I'm cinder block wall. I hung a heater up there a couple of months ago. I replaced the windows. I learned how to mortar on I did. They're mortared in. It's insulated now. I got a happy place. Life is good. Things are looking up. You know, I took out the trash, and that's all I'm going to say about that. And off we go. So, we're living life again, boys and girls. Won't you join me next time? All right. See you, bye.